Welcome to our Boardwalk View Balcony on Oasis of the Seas, one of the most unique cabins on board. Let me show you why.
All right, so right here we have the heat and air settings. As you can see, you can go up or down depending on how hot you want it, how cold you want it. This is the master switch as labeled, so you turn the switches on and off there.
And you don't need a card.
Don't need a card, and so I think this is the switch for what's that? That was one of them lights around here. That light there. Up, and that's the light to this main little hallway we in, and then this one here is to the bathroom.
Which is here.
Right. As we enter,
Go ahead, enter.
I'm going to enter.
Did you take a shower?
Nope, that's the design on the shower door.
Is that really?
Speaking of the shower,
The shower's wet.
I thought they
That's
had
the design.
right. I thought they had just finished washing the shower.
Yeah.
But speaking of the shower doors, what do we have here, Kiki?
Full booty coverage.
Shout out to Tony Baker. Full booty coverage, and you just open them up. Oh, that's nice. Okay then.
Shower door instead of a shower curtain. We love
Double shower doors. Open up your shower doors. Standard shower head there. It looks roomy. I don't know. Can we fit two people?
I don't know about two people in that one.
But
not these two people. maybe you and your other person can fit in the
wow,
stature.
I ain't gonna be no other person.
These two people. I'm talking to the people in the
Oh.
not you. You ain't got no other somebody.
okay. Hair wash and body wash here. Standard shower head. It usually have the pole that can lower up and down, but it's not. So this one, you just pretty much seems like you just adjust it to however you want it. There, you get done with your swimwear, whatever, you can hang your stuff there, or even washcloths. If you have to bring your own body wash and everything, you can set it up here as a pole. So if you need to wash your legs, shave your legs, whatever you gotta do, stand right there, and put that up there. So we're gonna close these up.
That's an interesting shower door.
I like that. It's very nice. And then you have your standard toilet here. You flush the toilet there. That's going to be your floor mats, extra toilet paper. I think it's going to be a wash bowl, garbage can, toilet paper, sanitary disposal, washcloths, cups. We always talk about the cups.
There's cups in there?
There's 2 cups in here.
Cups in there that we'll never use?
We always talk about using those if we like put toothbrushes or something in, not to drink out of. But if you want to wash them yourself.
I don't need to put mine.
Okay, well, if you want to wash them yourself, you can do that.
You got shelf space,
extra shelving space there. And then this is a mystery drawer. Now, I haven't opened this mystery drawer up yet. I don't know what's inside. Let's hope for the best. Whew, there's nothing in it. So you got some storage, something you want to put in there, you can. Then we have a pretty nice size mirror here.
We got a little outlet for shavers up there.
Okay, we got a pretty nice size mirror here, so you can see that mirror. And then you have outlets up there for your shavers, hair dryers, things like that. And that's your speaker. It's not Bluetooth, so you can't play your own music in here. And then just your sink here. So your sink is there. And then we have towels here, hand towels there. And then just a little say, hey man, if you don't need to, don't waste your towels. But you really shouldn't, to me, you shouldn't use a towel more than once. But here we are. So we're going to finish recording here. I'm going to hand you back off to the missus. Hello, Mrs.
Hello.
Full-length mirror here.
That's always a plus.
I always got to make sure my suits and jackets and my hair is okay all the time. Gotta make sure your hair's tight and right, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
Just look laid.
Yes, I'm trying to tell you. This doesn't come with the room. This I brought myself. Closet. The closet is here. Let's open up the closet. Nice closet. Plenty of shelving space. You have your standard safe here. I don't know what that plastic bag is. Pretty sure I didn't bring that.
Oh, surprises here, huh?
I don't think that's ours.
I'm not touching it.
Don't touch it.
Not touching it.
There we go. I'm gonna put that back there. Voila.
Safe.
There's a safe. Pretty roomy space. That's a nice roomy
Put your
safe.
jewelry and your passports and such.
Right, because you can't carry nothing else. So, a lot of shelving space here. If you want to make even more extra shelving space, you can pull that up. Plenty of hangers. You want to, there's laundry bags back there, of course, if you want to do laundry. You have that. Yeah, I looked at those shelves. That's a lot of shelves. Yeah. If we were on here more than 2 days, we will utilize those shelves and a lot of those hangers. But since we only on here for 2 days, we won't be utilizing a lot of those shelving and hangers. So as we move around, we have some more shelving here.
Lots of shelving, like places to put things here.
I'm not sure what this is. Oh, breakfast menu.
If you want to order.
If you want to order breakfast, man, 2,
Lots of them.
3. You can
Enough
order
for the next few groups.
Yeah. So Avion, $75.
That don't say no $75. Oh, 24 pack, $75.
Avion water. Dang, that seems like that would be more. Anyways, so that's the breakfast stuff. Mini bar, continental breakfast if you want that. So you can do that. So then we have a king size bed. This is put our beds together. So the king size bed. I like her, she likes me. So here we are.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. You're not just gonna skip over that. I'm more than alright. Side tables.
I don't see an outlet on this side.
That's because you need to go back to the subject at hand.
Okay, back to the subject at hand.
You more than like me. Now back to the bed. Thank you. Seriously though, well now we got a bed, 4 pillows, nice size bed. Haven't laid down on it yet because we got the outside clothes on, so we don't really get in the bed with outside clothes on. And then we move on. A little bit art on the wall if you want to look at that.
There's no outlet here either.
Shelving unit there, no outlet there. Unless it's behind it, but then you really don't get back there. Lights there. And a couch. I guess it's going to be a let-out couch.
It's a let-out couch.
Okay.
And fun fact, this room actually holds 5 people.
Yep, because they're going to Murphy bed.
So we have a regular bed here, which can be converted to 2 beds. Then we have a sofa bed, which will also hold 2 people. And then we have one of these Murphy beds that pulls down from the ceiling.
I didn't even notice that up there.
Yes.
Nice. That's pretty decent. So nice size couch. Or if you don't want to let it out, it's long enough where somebody can sleep on top of the couch. Put a sheet down, get you a pillow. So we have our desk area here. So if you want to sit down, Kiki wants to do her makeup, not me, because this is melanated already. So we good to go.
I'm melanated too. I just put a little makeup over my melanation.
Oh my God, here we go. Anyway, so here we are. I got a nice size mirror. You can sit here, do your makeup, play with your hair, cut your hair. If you want to do some work, you got plenty of desk room here. They have 3 plugs here, 2 USB plugs, switches for the lights here.
I wish it had a USB-C on it.
Yeah, that would be ideal. Shelving unit.
More shelving.
I'm not sure what's behind that box. You got a screwdriver?
No.
Okay, we can't see what's in that box then.
What box? Oh, that box.
A little box right there. It's some back there that's a mystery.
To remain.
Can we call our room steward to bring a screwdriver? Probably not. I don't know. Here we are, but this is a desk area. We have more drawers here.
You got a chair with a back.
Oh, look at the hair dryer. That works for me. I need that. Shoot. Tissue for your nose. Drawer. Another drawer. And
little mini fridge here.
oh, look at those. Alcohol-free bottles.
Yes, we have our own. We bring our own alcohol removed sparkling wine, champagne, whatever you want to call it.
Yep.
This is this is one of my favorite sparkling wines.
Alcohol-free sparkling.
Well, just let me finish. That's one of my favorite sparkling wine. Let me mess up. That's one of my favorite brands of sparkling wine. And so now I realize that they have the alcohol-free version. And so when I can find it, I get that. They didn't have the big bottles, but they had those small bottles. So.
And that door is attached. That's pretty cool.
That door is.
It's attached to the. Yeah, that makes sense. All right, so we're gonna make our way out here into the rain because the rain has moved on this way. And those are my glasses out there. Great. That's okay.
So we have a neighborhood balcony. This is specifically the Boardwalk neighborhood. So this is a Boardwalk balcony. There is a lock on the balcony door here.
So if you have little children,
make sure you lock it.
Lock it right there. This is pretty, and unless they've been lifting and working out, they ain't gonna be able to just push it. So you open the door here, and then you come on out. Watch your step, please. Watch your step.
All right, this is the balcony area on the room. We have this Boardwalk balcony room, and we get to see this cool view of the boardwalk And whenever the Aqua show happens, we'll be able to watch the Aqua show from right here on our balcony because it takes place right there. The dry slide that goes all the way from deck. Let's see, we're on 12. So I think it goes from like 14.
That's probably 14, yeah.
All the way down to 6 or something. I think
Yeah,
it goes from
13, 14. Yeah.
I think it goes from 16 to 6 because I think it's 10 floors.
So we have the table here. Table that you can sit outside, eat your food on, read a book, whatever you want to do. Has 2 chairs, chair there and a chair there. So this is a pretty spacious balcony. It could fit 2 people, maybe 3 possibly, but two comfortably for sure. And so we're outside, like he said, you can see everything going on. And there's this beauty right here.
So down here is the actual boardwalk area of the ship. So it's raining now, so there's nobody down there. But there's a carousel. We got Johnny Rockets down here. Over on this side is Playmakers. And the rock climbing wall is there. So plenty to do down here. What is that right there, buddy? Is that like the production studio for the show or something over there?
Probably so, yeah.
That pop.
All right, so this concludes our tour of our balcony cabin. And this concludes our tour of our Boardwalk Balcony View. We thank you guys so much. We thank you for your love and support. And as always, we are Team Reese all day. See ya. Who's ready for some cruise?